By the way, our title will be Revival! And for our introduction, all we have to do is raise our two hands like this. And we'll clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and after that, we go directly with our verse 1. Saying here, I can hear the sound. We'll be putting our two hands from the back of our ear, going to the front. I can hear the sound. Heaven coming down all the way up and down. So it's revival starting. We will be picking from our left. 1 and 2. And then after that, we will be doing this action and we will just count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, and after that, so we won't stop asking. We will be punching like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and that's it. Now, IC Chambers, we will be catching from our left. 1 and 2. And then right after, we will be punching from our chest 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll cross our 2 arms. Cross. Open and wide. Now we come to turning around. 1, 2, 3, and we, your people, will just be saluting 2 times. Salute. 1 and 2. Calling on your name, we will be jumping to our left. While doing like this. Jesus, Jesus. And that's it for our verse 1.
Okay, for our chorus, we will stretch our both hands in our both sides. Set us on fire for your revival. We will turn around and then backward. Your love forward clap and form a heart. And this time we will pump to the left and pump to the right and then wave and clap. And then wave again, wave and clap. Very good, teacher. And next we will kick in our right side. Kick and kick. And to the left side, kick and kick. And after that, we will roll our hands.
Roll.
And then we will shout revival like this. Revival, revival. And after that, backward again. And then revival, revival. And always remember that we have 2 chorus in our first song. In our second chorus, push to the left, set
Push to
us
the
on
left.
revival. And then push to the right and then cross. And then up. And then wave and wave. And then we will pick the hard step and then pump and pump. And that is our first and second chorus.
Yes, and right after we go directly with our bridge. So we'll do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do side cross. 1,
2, 3, and 4.
We'll just be repeating that 3
Three
times.
times.
And right after, we will be doing this step. It's like pulling up, sounding 1, 2, 3, and showing the air.
Throw.
And then we also do that in our right.
And
throw.
throw.
And then we will be repeating the first step while we are doing the marching like this. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
We'll be repeating the second step, but with a clap.
And clap.
And the other side.